What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BPI credit cards annual fees. So lahat ng credit card ni BPI guys, i-reveal ko sa inyo kung magkano nga ba yung annual fee nila bawat isa para magkaroon kayo ng idea, makapili kung ano yung mas magandang credit card para sa inyo. At saka pag-uusapan din natin guys yung perks and benefits of course. Para aside from annual fee, malaman nyo rin yung purpose ng bawat credit card ni BPI. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, ito, BPI Platinum Rewards Card. So yung annual fee niya is 4,000 pesos per year. And then si BPI Signature Card, actually guys, nilista ko siya. Kung magtataka kayo kung saan galing yung details na to, tinawag ko sa customer service yung iba and then nag-do research na rin ako sa other platform. So, BPI Signature Credit Card is 5,500 yung annual fee. And then si BPI Gold Rewards Card is 2,250. And then si BPI Blue Rewards Cards is 1,550. And then si BPI Amor Platinum Cashback is 5,000 pesos. Si Amor Cashback naman is 2,050 pesos. So, mapapansin nyo guys, may platinum at saka may hindi platinum. So, itong platinum, 5,000. Then yung Amor Cashback diretso is 2,050. And then, si Petron Credit Card ni BPI is 1,550. And then, si BPI Edge Credit Card is 110 pesos monthly or 1,320 annually. Then, BPI DOS Card is 3,000 pesos yung annual fee. Then, si BPI Robinsons Cashback Card. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, Robinsons. Kasi kung hindi nyo alam, nag-merge si BPI at saka si Robinsons nung nakaraang taon lang. 2,500 naman si Robinsons Cashback Credit Card. Si BPI Corporate Credit Card is 1,700 pesos yung annual fee. Then si e-credit guys si e-credit is no annual fee for life. So itong e-credit card guys is parang for online transaction lang ito. When we say e-credit, electronic credit card. So ibig sabihin, for online transactions yung purpose niya. It comes, kumbaga companion credit card dito sa mga major credit cards ni BPI. And then ngayon, dapo tayo ngayon guys sa perks and benefits ni BPI credit cards. Kasi kanina yung annual fee, tapos ngayon, paano nga ba magka-earn ng points, magkano yung kailangan i-spend para ma-qualify tayo for earning BPI credit card points. Kasi syempre, pagdating sa points, pwede natin i-convert into cash credits, vouchers, into cash para magkaroon tayo ng discounts sa supermarkets or restaurants. So, as you can see guys, credit cards. Whether you're shopping, dining, or traveling, earn rewards points or cashback with BPI credit cards points. So, let's talk about BPI Platinum Rewards Cards. Elevate to a Platinum Rewards experience like no other. So, faster way to redeem rewards. Earn 2 BPI rewards points for every 30 pesos local spend or for every 20 pesos foreign currency spent. So, ibig sabihin, outside the country, 20 pesos siya pag kinonvert into peso yung currency na yon. Then, have access to 1,300 airport lounges for lounge passes yearly. Sa BPI Platinum Rewards Cards yon. Ngayon, let's talk about BPI Signature Credit Card. The card that fits your signature lifestyle. So, ito si BPI Signature Card, guys, nag-offer to ng 24/7 concierge assistance. So, ibig sabihin, parang VIP kayo dun since ito ay signature credit card. Kasi si bank ay merong dedicated concierge. Kumbaga, dun kayo pwede magtanong, magpa-assist, something ganyan. Itong si BPI Signature Credit Card is qualified siya dun. So, yun nga lang, 5,500 yung annual fee niya. The card that fits your signature lifestyle. Experience the best of what the world has to offer. Then, low forex conversion fee at just 1.85%. Save while you shop abroad. Then, signature deals up to 50% off. Tulad sabi ko sa mga restaurant, something ganyan. Then, 2 BPI rewards points for every 20 pesos spent and use points to redeem miles, shopping credits, or gift certificates from premium merchants. Then, move on tayo ngayon sa BPI Gold Rewards Card. Discover a world of endless rewards with a BPI Gold Rewards Card. Earn more points for every rewards. Rack up points from purchases you make anywhere in the world, whether online or in store. Every 35 pesos spent earns you 1 BPI rewards points. Sa BPI Gold Rewards Card yon. Then ngayon, move on tayo sa BPI Blue Rewards card. So, earn BPI points that you can use for shopping credits, gift vouchers, airline miles, and more. So, yung perks and benefits naman ng BPI Blue Rewards cards is travel, shopping, and dining deals. Of course, may mga offer din silang discounts. Earn more points for more rewards. Rack up points from purchases you make anywhere in the world, whether online or in store. Every 35 pesos spent earns you 1 BPI rewards point. Then move on tayo ngayon guys sa BPI Amor Cashback Visa Platinum. So as you can see guys, discover more of what you love with BPI Amor Platinum Cashback card. Earn cashback anywhere you shop and enjoy exclusive perks at Ayala Mall. Since BPI is parang close sila ni Ayala Malls. So ito guys, benefits ng BPI Amor Platinum Cashback is 4% cashback at restaurants. So 4% siya guys. Get cashback at your favorite restaurants or online food delivery services. 1% cashback at shops. Earn cashback in supermarkets, department stores, or other shopping stores. 0.3 cashback at all other retail stores, of course. Maganda rin siya. Wala siyang category. Basta any shops, 0.3% automatic siya. Then ngayon, let's move on to BPI Amor Cashback card. Discover more of what you love with a BPI Amor Cashback. Kanina, Platinum Amor Cashback. Ngayon, Amor Cashback lang. So, 4% cashback at supermarket. Get cashback on your groceries and everyday households. So, parang Visa Amor Platinum Cashback din siya. 1% cashback on drugstores and utilities. Then, 0.3 cashback on all other local retail spend. Enjoy cashback on all your other local retail spend in-store or online. Then ngayon, let's move on to Petron BPI credit card. Get as much as one free full tank with your partner card on the road. So since ito ay Petron, kung ano siya, parang partnership with gas. Kung may kotse kayo, magpapagasolina kayo, so may discount of course siya. So yung benefits naman ni Petron BPI credit card is offers a 3% fuel rebate and gives free PHP 200 fuel voucher as a welcome gift. This is a practical motorist card that gets you going. So kung may kotse kayo guys, ideal itong BPI Petron credit card. Earn fuel rebate of 3%. Get it at any Petron station nationwide. So yung maximum fuel rebate niya per year is 15,000 pesos. Then ngayon, let's move on to BPI Edge card. Experience a cutting-edge lifestyle with our exclusive rewards and perks. So yung perks and benefits ni BPI Edge credit card is enjoy one of the lowest forex rates at just 1.85%. Then BPI rewards points is you can earn 1 point or BPI rewards points for every 50 pesos spend. Then let's move on to BPI DOS credit card. Unleash the power of 2 gives with a BPI DOS card. So when we say 2 gives, so DOS card. So parang andito yung ano niya, pinaka main purpose. 2 gives, split your purchases into 2-month installments automatically. So kapag bumili kayo, automatic siya, pwede siyang bayaran into 2 months. Like 2 payments, split into 2. Earn 1 point for every 50 pesos spent. So, bawat 50 pesos, 1 point siya. Then, let's move on to BPI Robinsons Cashback Card. So, kung magtataka kayo, nag-collab si BPI at saka si Robinsons Bank. Yung perks and benefits naman ni Robinsons Cashback Card, since ito ay cashback, 3% cashback at Robinsons Retail Store. So, sa mga Robinsons Supermarket naman ito, madalas magandang gamitin. 1% cashback on purchases at other shops. So, kapag ginamit nyo sa SM, ganyan, 1% naman yung cashback niya. Pero pag sa retail stores ni Robinsons, 3%. Then ngayon, let's move on to BPI Corporate Credit Card. Manage your business purchases and payment processes easier, smarter, and faster. So, yung perks and benefits naman ni BPI Corporate Card is have the option to pay an installment at 0% or low. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!